beauty bakery after the whole Black Lives Matter, black owned as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VanessaK7 and I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. You are about to witness a makeup transformation of your life. I was actually initially filming a IG makeup tutorial, but you know, sometimes I feel like obviously you guys would appreciate it more, and also not everyone has Instagram and not everyone is following me on the gram. I'll leave it here in case you're not. But I thought this was worth filming it for you guys, just, you know, getting a bit of a cheeky makeup video in there. I have got some new products, so you have to carry on watching, because me and new products, we mix well together, okay? I have been getting new makeup products and I've got some more makeup products on the way. So if you're not subscribed, you're gonna miss out. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna show. Just enjoy the makeup transformation and the techniques I use to do my makeup. We continue. I kindly hit the like button. I cannot stress it enough to you. It is free to thumbs up the video, and it's free to support.
It's fake kills. Original, pumping on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come.
Differently with my makeup recently, I've been using a lighter shade to highlight, and the reason for that is because Fawn has a more yellow undertone, which you guys have pointed out on numerous occasions isn't for me. So I said, okay, let me try it out, and it works. I feel like it works. This is lighter, so I blend a lot more for it to blend in with my foundation, and then it becomes a more neutralized color for me. The only time I use Fawn is to literally contour their nose, so that's something new in my routine. I thought I'd just mention to you guys. Been using the L-shaped contour ever since my video of me trying out that method. It's been doing me wonders so far. I feel like everything you guys have suggested so far for my makeup is working for me. So I have faith in my subscribers and my viewers like no other, literally. Now, the crazy thing about this and the best thing about this is that I only discovered Beauty Bakery after the whole Black Lives Matter, after George Floyd's passing, and a lot of black brands were being recognized. That's the only reason why I know of this brand, and let me tell you, I can't speak too much because I haven't tried the product yet, but I love the concept. I love the concept of Beauty Bakery. It's just ingredients for your makeup. The powder I used before was the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I've been using that for so many years. And I thought, let me try something new and let me try to find something black owned as well. Cassava, which is yellow, it doesn't actually look quite yellow. It almost looks similar to translucent but isn't translucent. They renamed their powders, so they have different names now, but this is what I found on Cult Beauty. Can't wait to try it for you guys. I thought I would do a separate review video for it, but it wasn't necessary. I might as well just do it in this video. My makeup transformations always include something new. That's why it's important to have your ding ding, your bell on, for when you get notified of my videos, because I always try something new. It's very direct. I feel like I'm trying to bake, but it's just going, I feel like comparing it to the Laura Mercier translucent powder, it's very direct in the sense that when it goes on, it kind of stays there and then it blends well, if I'm making any sort of sense. I know what I'm talking about. It's just very direct, whereas Laura Mercier is a bit all, the particles fly more. You can manipulate the powder more on your face when you're applying it, but that's just my observation. And the powder seems very, very fine as well. Very, very fine, as in the blend is just seamless right now. Eyeshadow look, I'm using the Tammi palette again, and the reason why is because I only used it once and I love this palette. You can just do so much of it.
It's fake kills. Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor.
Is everything, and you have to be so patient with eyeshadow, you know. You have to be really patient with eyeshadow. Learn how to not be shy with the eyeshadow, as in like just go for it. Like normally when I touch eyeshadow I'm just like just a little bit of you, but now I'm just going all in because I guess practice makes perfect. So I'm going to use Starry Night. I'm going to put Starlight on top. Not inspired by anybody. This is purely me trying out colours this morning and seeing what worked and what I loved and what look I was going for. And that's pretty much how I do my eyeshadow. I see what I like, see what look I want to go for, and then play with it and then show you guys the process. So I always try my eyeshadows out before I actually come to you guys. This is looking gorgeous though. A tiny bit. This is something I don't want to overdo because the pigments are really loose, which is a good thing, but I just don't want to overdo it. I'm just going to wipe my under eyes because I have powder there that I don't want anymore. Take a nice brown under there. Just to add a little bit of different neutral colours because I don't want it to be full of too much colour around my eyes. And then I'm going to take that Night Walk, which is the turquoise I showed you guys on the screen, and take it towards my outer corner just to get a little bit of colour going underneath my eyes. Just to add a little bit of colour. Guys. I've been avoiding wing liner lately. I think it's because sometimes I just don't need it, but then sometimes I do. Guys, that is all for this look. I am just in love. I love the finish, and I always love the finished look to my makeup tutorials. It's just like the best. Like you finished doing your eyeshadow and then you're just like, just wait until the finished result, wait until I get that blush on, wait until I get that bronzer on. Hope you guys enjoyed it anyway, and I hope you guys will actually try out this look because this is to recreate. This is a look to recreate. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it too. See you guys on my channel with another one. Bye.